Turn me up a little bit in the headphones. Just a little bit so I can hear myself. Yeah.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, what's good, y'all? Heath Scully, Infamous, you already know. Did y'all see the video of SBLA calling out the Rangers? There's been a whole bunch of people calling out the Rangers, and they never respond. A lot of people ask, like, why they don't respond? Why we call them out and they don't never respond? I don't know either. I mean, there's a whole bunch of crews out that are way better than the Rangers, and they never respond when people ask them to battle, so I wouldn't even waste my time making a battle video for the Rangers. If you know why the Rangers don't respond, leave a comment telling us why, because we all trying to figure it out. And new contest coming out right now. I was going to wait till we hit 3,000, but everybody's asking do another contest, so we're going to do a contest now. And it'll end when we get 3,000 subscribers. So the contest starts now. It's going to end in 2 weeks. I think it's the 22nd or 21st. I'm going to put it in the description. But the contest will end in 2 weeks, but it's not done yet. There's going to be 2 rounds. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a video, and basically you just going to get off. It only has to be like 3 minutes long. And basically what you're going to win is, so it's going to be the first round. It's just going to be a whole bunch of crews making their videos. And what's going to happen is we're going to pick the top 2 crews out of all the videos we got on June 20-something or whatever, 2 weeks from now. And then we're going to have another round after that of those 2 battling. What's going to happen is we're going to have people comment. I'm going to send it to everybody on MySpace, Signature.com, everywhere, Geekware, everywhere. I'm going to send it to everybody, and I'm going to have people leave comments on who they think got off more. Whoever gets the most comments saying their name is the ones who wins the contest. And this is what you're going to win. If you win the whole contest, what you're going to be is you're going to be an infamous rep, basically. You're going to be in every single one of our videos, in the top left or right corner, there's going to be an annotation to your channel in it. Not to your video, but to your channel. So say we're doing a video, we get a whole bunch of views on it, your annotation to your channel is going to be on it too. So people will go to your page and see our stuff too. And we're going to give y'all shout outs all the time. Y'all going to be in our channel box. Y'all going to be in our channel box permanently. Basically, y'all not coming out our channel box because y'all going to be infamous reps. So, like I said, basically you're going to be infamous rep. Any music videos we do, any songs we do, we'll probably ask y'all if y'all want to collab with us. Any music videos, y'all will be in it ASAP, just like that. Of course, y'all going to be in y'all infamous reps. And like I said, you guys will be in every single one of our videos in the top right or left corner, annotation to y'all channel. And that'll help y'all out too. And just basically, alright, shout out to Geekware. Shout out to all the infamous reps. Shout out to High Five Crew. I'm going to leave a list after this video shouting out to all y'all infamous reps, High Five Crew, people, everybody. And I'm going to put YouTube channels next to them so people can go check y'all out. Alright? And don't forget, everybody check out the SBLA calling out the Rangers video. Alright? Check that out. Deuce.
I'm counting guap like a pack casino in the coffee shop, whipping cream up the cappuccino. Hubbard Rocks got the fiends running back with singles, chasing a high they ain't seen since selling crap been legal. Facing long vacations, out on bill, fresh out of jail, no laces in my number 12s. So anxious to blaze up this blill I've been saving since county jail. Put on my street clothes, took off my